Hey, Steve. Welcome back.
Looks like we picked the perfect day for a cooling system checkup.
Yeah, it's another warm one.
Feels like the system's keeping up, so no surprises?
No, we couldn't be happier. This month's electric bill is going to be about half what it was last year.
Good to hear. You know, I'm speccing more Trane ice systems all the time.
I can see why. We're on track to be in the top 10% for energy performance this year.
It's all about the numbers.
I tell you, I've got a very happy school board. What with rebates from the utility companies and incentives from the state, that's got to make your job easier, right?
The idea of running a chiller at night to cool a building during the day still raises a few eyebrows.
But when you think about how much cheaper electricity is at night...
Most people understand why utilities want to reduce daytime loads. Saves the utilities money, keeps them from needing to build more power plants. Better for the environment, keeps dirtier plants offline. Then I talk about thermal storage, and it all makes sense.
It sure does. Hey, you haven't seen it in a while. You want to take a look?
Absolutely. Nice clean setup.
Yeah, it went right on schedule. We made ice that first night right after we finished the tank install.
CalMac's got those tanks down to a science. They've been working with Trane for, wow, more than 25 years now.
It's just a slick setup. I was showing one of our new techs a chiller plant the other day, and his eyes were this big. And I'm like, hey, it's simpler than it looks. I showed him the Trane system completion module, explained how it coordinates everything, whether the system is in ice make or ice melt mode, all that.
I have to explain the simplicity a lot too. Most folks breathe easier once they know it's all designed by Trane, not a half dozen different systems pieced together.
This new tech was worried about maintenance. I guess he serviced some pretty rough systems in his last jobs.
Oh, he'll be a lot happier here.
No doubt. And he's really impressed with how quiet the Trane system is too.
Did he hear it during the day or at night?
Both. Like I said, he's been around some pretty rough systems.
Well, he's gonna love this one, and you are gonna love this. I ran some numbers back at my office. If you've got time to make a few tweaks, I think we can get your energy costs down even more.
I've always got time for that. I was just checking the system status before you stopped by, so it's ready to go.
Aren't these mobile dashboards cool?
Makes my job a lot easier. I can monitor the system and make changes practically anywhere.
This Trane Earthwise Systems ice plant is already giving us between 20 and 30% better efficiency than other designs. But watch what happens when I do this.
Trane, making buildings better for life.